Good morning out there. We're going to start you off with Florence. Everyone wants to know where this big storm is going to be heading. Want to point out a couple of things to you. If you look at the entire loop, you can see that the eye is really struggling. In fact, the last few frames, you can't even see or make out the eye anymore. Also, if you really look closely, you can start to see that the storm is a little bit elongated. It's almost like an egg at this point. That's because we have some wind shear, upper winds that are blowing on Florence, and that's also helping to weaken Florence. Now, still a very powerful storm with the wind sustained at 110 miles an hour. It's moving to the northwest at 15 miles an hour. Here's the latest track, and we're just going to bring you kind of close to the coastline here. The big concern is anything north of this track, anything north of the eye is going to get the full brunt of the storm surge, and that means that we could see water as far inland as about half a mile or so. Storm starts to weaken and makes a big right-hand turn going back up the east coast and potentially impacting us here. In fact, model data has been very consistent that we're going to see at least some rain because of Florence, and if so, it will be Monday and Tuesday with the rain chances maybe wrapping up on Wednesday as well. So remains cloudy, low rain chance for the day today. Highs should top the 80-degree mark today as well. We only hit 75 yesterday. And over the course of the weekend, just a couple of low rain chances Friday and Saturday. Sunday, at this point, we're leaving dry and just a 20% chance for rain both on Friday and Saturday. It is very small, your chance for rain. As the sun comes up at 65, the airport is showing partly cloudy skies, but we should be looking at mostly cloudy today. Winds out of the east at 3 miles an hour. The barometer at 30 and 1900ths of an inch. Here's a look at those temperatures for you, including Butler. Good morning. 66 for you. 65 in Pittsburgh. Washington at 65 degrees. Waynesburg at 64 and 66 in the Uniontown area this morning. You can start to see we do have some issues when it comes to fog, including Washington coming in at a half-mile visibility at this time. Bedford at 2.5 miles visibility. We will see some patchy fog through about 8 or 9 o'clock, and then it should burn off the rest of the day. We'll be looking at mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies and some rain showers around. 83 your expected high today, and here's how I think the day is going to look. You can see that 82 hit at about 3 o'clock. Your 7-day outlook, 83 today, 84 your Friday high, and on Saturday we're looking at a high along with Sunday of 86.